We are going to learn today how to deal with the crossroads. Okay, this is your car and this is the oncoming traffic. Obviously the main road has priority, so we're not talking about the main road traffic. When you're arriving, when you're approaching, you need to do the minimum observation from the crossroad. You need to look to the right, you need to look ahead, you need to look left, you need to look ahead again, and one more time right. Because you need to start the observation on the right hand side and you need to finish there, because the danger is coming from the right. You can't look very quickly left and right, because on the test as well, the examiner would say you missed this road. Okay, so you have to clearly stop your head when you do the minimum observation, right, left, ahead again. Okay, so let's have a look at the situation. If you're both going straight on, there is no problem because you're not crossing each other's path, so you don't need to give away anybody else. Like I said, we're not talking about the main road. If you're going straight on and this driver intend to turn right, crossing your path, you have priority, okay, because you're going straight on. However, you need to be careful because sometimes they take the advantage on the learner driver and do it very quickly, so you need to be very careful because sometimes, like I said, they don't give you away, so you know, priority is given, not taken. Very important. If this driver goes straight on and you intend to turn right, this driver has priority because you intend to cut their way. Okay, very important. If this driver turns sharp left, you would like to turn right to the same road, this driver has priority because it turns sharp left. Okay, lovely. If you're turning left, the other turns right to the same road. Yes, fantastic, Camille, well done. This situation, when both are intended to turn right, none of you has priority. Okay, you need to get an eye contact with the driver.
To stop.
Yes, you need to get eye contact with the driver. We're not waving, we're not flashing the light, we're not encouraging each other, because what could happen? For instance, you would encourage this driver to go ahead, they would make it and they would make an accident here. They could say, you've been encouraging them, so it's your responsibility. Just wait. If you would like to give them away, wait here clearly. They have to understand your position and they will make it. Okay, so don't encourage the drivers to go ahead. So when we're turning both to the right hand side, we can do it in two ways. Okay, same situation. We would prefer this one. We call this is the near side of the car because we are closer to the curb. We would prefer to meet the other drivers, yes, on the right hand side, because in this situation you can observe.
Yes.
But sometimes it's not just depending on you. If the junction is very small one and then you can't fit here, or also if the driver is already positioned here, then you can't move around because it won't be safe. So you need to do near side to near side. So in this case you come this way, and from this position you need to creep forward very slowly until you get in the position when you can observe, is it safe to go or there are oncoming traffic. Does it make sense? So you see, because here this car blocking your view, so you can't move until you can make sure, until you move a little bit forward and you get in the position here when you can observe. Because we can't gambling, we can not take the risk to moving until we make it sure is it safe to go or not. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any question?
No.
Lovely. Now we are going to put in the practice because we have a crossroads ahead. Okay, so if you're ready, if you have no question, fire the engine for me, please. Lovely. Very good observation. I like it. Super. Lovely. So we're looking well ahead. There's a giveaway sign. It's a clear crossroad, but very closed ones. So we can't really observe what's happening there. You know, we learned the peep and creep technique. So if we move into the giveaway, next to the giveaway sign, and then we're going straight on at the crossroad. Yes, please. And then when you stop for a moment, we will do clearly the observation, the minimum observation. So I would apply the handbrake for a second because it's up here, and just, you know, peep and creeping forward. You have a fantastic clutch control, you can make it. So, so the minimum is right, ahead, left, ahead, and right again. Move a little bit forward because we can't see clearly. Put the handbrake down, keep the car on the biting point. Just keep it there, yes, and creep centimeter by centimeter. Yes, fantastic, well done. Excellent, that was very good and very safe. So we follow the road ahead, we come back to this junction one more time. Well done. Don't forget your mirrors when you're coming back to the left. You know, we learned it just yesterday how to do the mirror work. Always when we're passing part vehicle, before we're moving up, when we're coming back, we need to check the mirrors. Okay, lovely. So we learned just before this lesson how we're looking well ahead, how we're planning. There's a minimum mini roundabout where we're going to make a U-turn because we would like to come back to this junction to do one more time the minimum observation and the safe crossing at the crossroads. So at the minimum mini roundabout, please make a U-turn. Very good observation, lovely mirror work, and good timing of the indicator. Superb. Look to the right as well, make sure it's safe, yes. Lovely. Very nice steering technique, excellent. Good, excellent, superb mirror work and mini roundabout, well done. And great steering technique. Lovely. Now just follow the road ahead, please. Come here. So if you look well ahead, you could see clearly there was a car going through, which means there's a crossroad, there is a junction. Yeah. At the crossroad, at the junction, we would like to again go straight on, but we would like to do clearly the minimum observation as well.
Giveaway sign.
Yes, that's correct. Because it's a closed junction. Are we going
straight on?
Straight on, yes, yes. Because it's a closed junction, no matter if it's a stop sign or a giveaway sign, we must stop to do the observation. You can't see clearly, so we need to creep a little bit forward. Have a look, we have oncoming traffic. We intend to go straight on, so we have priority. Yes. Look to the right one more time. And I say thank you to this lovely lady. Well done. That was brilliant. Perfect. Okay, does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you very much.